still closed? Another day in Cambodia. Starting on day off.
Early. Not early, but 8.
It's not early.
Oh, 9:02, my bad.
Grabbing a tuk-tuk to our first destination. I'm gonna check out some temples. And then shopping and food and then maybe more sightseeing. Still a lot to see. Akan shampoo. So we're at the biggest temple in Phnom Penh now. We'll check what it's about. Vâng đi. Được máy bóng đấy. Bạn. Okay. Glasses. Hats. It's hot. So word of advice, use the Grab app or Pass app to grab a tuk-tuk, you'll save some money. But be courteous and tip anyways. Usually when you flag down a driver, you gotta pay a little bit. Usually nice people, so make sure you tip. Because everything is cheap here anyways. I'm tired already. Usually no photos or videos inside the temple, so I had to stop the video, but showed our support, donations, and did some prayers. Oh, no wonder the dollar is not much to see. It's just go in, you pray, and that's it, right? Of course, they don't have real stairs. Why would they? There's not much to see here, but it's a very beautiful place. Small temple. We are off to our next spot.
Central Market.
Central Market. Hopefully it's as good as they say it is.
Soy mono. When we get back, we're gonna get the flower, the small.
Yeah. We are at the Central Market. You want to go inside or outside? Just look around. I think the Cambodians refer it as New Market. Yeah, these things are a lot cleaner. Thôi tập lắm á. Tập lắm.
Thôi tới ngày 30 cái hơi taxi này lấy tiền là bên trắng. Hai ngày 30 ở đây tôi đã anh đâu cho taxi này. Dạ hôm nay dễ sợi mà là phải. Hello, đâu anh làm ta?
Yeah, that's why I told you. You look at it first and then see if they have the set, and you touch them, don't engage.
Oh, okay.
So that's what do you call it? My mom wants for on fire.
Con là trắng rồi đó, cái này anh chia nó trăm rau câu à, chia nó được trăm rau câu đó.
You want to start with one corner, the corner, the corner, the corner? What do you want to do with it?
This corner?
Yeah. This place is huge. This place is huge. Don't even know where to start.
Looking for.
I think on them. I do need a new hard drive, but I don't know if I trust getting a hard drive from here. Probably not. We're in an electronics section here. Cameras and a whole bunch of other electronics.
Tầm huy nữa. Một cái lại bên này đã. Đấy. Đó nữa. Sao con chơi zoom nhỉ bạn hết không? Mà anh mới chậm cho xem nó này. Rồi vào phần này nó có đi vào này. Uống tao ra phép. Anh muốn.
I think we're in like the cosmetic sections. I was just saying, we're in like a hygiene kind of like accessories and. We're definitely in the wrong area. Just keep walking straight and get out. I'm gonna break looking for something to eat. I think we're in the food market area. Yours, Jimmy?
Ủa sao không có vậy?
Hả?
Hả mà mên 7 con luôn.
Mên 7 con. Quay đâu không?
I think well, you bought it.
Ăn thịt con mà. mòn, bò thái.
Miếng sao? Nhâm cái tiêu.
Dạ, và tiêu
Tiêu
miên.
mà cho ăn bàn.
Bọt miên nhà máy bọt quạt ớt, bọt miên quay tắc mục dương mà. Miên không bỏ quạt ớt.
Our meal came out to be a little bit of short of $5, so very cheap meal in the stalls here. We're back in like the clothing area.
I just mở tập.
Hello. Mày hãy
Hey.
giúp đi. Hello.
Earlier we ran into a vendor that literally tried to sell me the same shirt I was wearing. I'm wearing the same beat up shirt. This lady was trying to sell me the same exact one. Yeah, we did see it. Yours was in the first section, right? Yeah. It's hot. The streets are dangerous. Can't be walking around. Take another coffee AC break in this damn heat. We need to go find an indoor market. Seems like everywhere you go, you see these Cafe Amazon. Got our drinks. We're gonna go look for a outlet center. Oh, up this way. Couldn't get any footage in there. A lot of security and just people staring at us, so I don't think they wanted us to take any photos or videos or anything like that, so try to avoid it. So many drivers here, you don't even know which one is yours or theirs.
Says he's somewhere here.
Let's grab another tuk-tuk. Grab another tuk-tuk going to another market. I think it's the second biggest market here. Ready? I'll get there. Yeah, so we just picked up one of the tuk-tuks, and I guess he doesn't grasp the concept that they're gonna reimburse him. We paid through credit card, and we got a notification that we got paid, but he asked for a little bit more money, which is like a quarter, but on top of the tip that we already gave him, so it didn't really matter too much anyways. I think the fare was $1, so we paid him double the tip or something like that, so. This is a pretty big, busy area too. Thought the last market was hot. This market is even hotter than the last one. My God, no AC. It's pretty. So it's 2 floors.
Còn chân chân thì cũng mang cái pin cái lens. Oh look.
Narrow walkways.
Một màn tí cho chân là lùm má ấy.
Ton of stores.
Này vô.
You literally see people opening up boxes and boxes of just like bulk items from with Chinese lettering. I'm guessing they're all like Chinese imitations and cheap knockoffs.
Thì cái đấy.
This market is huge. It's like a maze though.
Oh, the heifer's kind of cool, baby.
You want to check that out there?
Down there for cool.
Down here there's a lot of food and hygiene products.
Nó mùa một hay cuối. Nó sập hay bay rồi.
I am definitely done with these outer markets. It's hot and there's just too many people. It's crowded. So we're gonna take a break from all the shopping and sightseeing. I convinced my wife to go to a Banchan, my new favorite chain that we eat at in New York. And they have a bunch here. So we're gonna check it out.